Hey everyone, what's up? I'm Mike and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, glad you stopped by. Today, I want to talk about something that doesn't get enough attention but affects so many of us, hearing health. Maybe you've been noticing ringing in your ears, trouble hearing conversations, or just that foggy brain feeling that won't go away. If that sounds familiar, stick around because what I'm about to share could really help. So the product I want to dive into today is called Audifort. It's a natural dietary supplement designed to support and protect your hearing health while also helping improve mental clarity and reduce inflammation. What's really cool about Audifort is it's packed with over 20 natural ingredients that work together to improve blood flow to your ears, calm inflammation, and strengthen the connection between your brain and your hearing system. Some of the standout ingredients include maca root for energy, grapeseed extract to protect your ears from damage, green tea which boosts circulation, and things like capsicum and GABA that help reduce inflammation and ease anxiety. The formula is 100% natural, non-GMO, and non-habit forming, so you won't have to worry about side effects or harsh chemicals. Using Audifort is simple. Just take 2 capsules a day with water, and that's it. I've been using it for a few weeks now, and honestly, I noticed a difference, not just with hearing, but my focus feels sharper, and that annoying ringing in my ears has calmed down quite a bit. Now, it's important to mention that Audifort is only available on the official website. Don't fall for the temptation to buy it on Amazon, eBay, or other third-party sellers because there are fake versions out there that won't do anything and could even be harmful. I've put the official link right below this video, so make sure you use that. And here's a little extra incentive for you. If you buy Audifort through the link I shared, you'll get some exclusive discounts that you won't find anywhere else. Plus, when you order 3 or 6 bottles, you get 2 bonus ebooks for free, the Deep Sleep Activation Protocol and the Brainwire Regeneration Blueprint, both designed to help you sleep better and boost your brain health. And if you grab the 6-bottle pack, they even throw in free shipping. So if you want to protect your hearing, reduce tinnitus, and clear up that brain fog naturally, Audifort is definitely worth trying. And with their 90-day money-back guarantee, you really have nothing to lose. Thanks for watching, guys. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more honest reviews, and comment below if you have any questions or want to share your experience. Take care of your ears. They deserve it. See you in the next video.